Okay, this is the continuation of the install of the Char Broil Big Easy True Infrared. I've assembled my two pieces and I locked them into place, and I thought it would be easier if I just show you what it looks like because I'm a visual person. You may not be. I just have this sitting up here. After I installed them, what I did is I took the little cord. If you see right here, this is very important. It won't work without it. And you push it straight through this little hole right here. And after you do that, push it straight through the little hole. After you do that, you're just gonna attach it onto there. It just slips right on. And this is your test. I would advise you to place it on here. You see the little holes? I want to show you that line up. And on this side, because this is just sitting here. But these grooves in here are for the screws that are already there. And test it and see exactly how it's going to fit. This is your this is your tray, I mean. And it's going to fit right in between that tray. Line it up, line everything up. See, I had to line up that screw right there. You're lining up the smallest screw. This one right here. Because the pointed screws are going to go in here. There are two different kinds of screws. They don't really explain them to you. But this is the pointed screw. And this is what I mean by the pointed screw. See how that screw have a point? So you're lining up the smaller holes for the pointed screws. This is going to go right in here like this. And you're going to use your Phillips head screwdriver and screw them in. And when you're sure that's perfect, see the little lip right there? It's too close. See the little lip right there? That's a guide as to where your tray should be, because I know it doesn't really say, and where you should install this here. You'll see that though, because it have the little slots, and it'll have this little golden valve, and it's going to fit right into this tube that's made onto all doing with the gas line. But this is important because they say if this is not connected, if this comes loose, it will not give you any gas. So that's it. I already did the handles. They're not hard to do. I hope this video was helpful. Give me a thumbs up, and yeah, enjoy it. And I'll give a small video after I cook my turkey for Thanksgiving, because it's pretty late here. It's taking me over 2 hours just to make sure I get the tray. I almost used it without it. I got everything else done. But you have a happy turkey day.